All right. Thank you once again for letting me observe your math lesson. I felt like your math was even stronger than your literacy, like how you engage students in more movement. So with the literacy lesson, I noticed, we're doing videos and we're doing movement. With the math, it was less of the video, more of you saying, okay, we're going to count and we're going to do this movement. I loved that you were able to engage with the students more instead of the video engaging. So that was a real strong strength. So thank you for doing that. I did see, let me look real quick. Still need to work on our positives versus the correction. And I know in a classroom setting that can be hard. You're having to keep them on task, so it requires that correction. But like we talked about in our last lesson, different ways how we can incorporate that and improve that along the way. I would expect if I came in on any other day that's what I would start seeing, is you working on incorporating that. I also noticed how you were utilizing your paraprofessional staff in the classroom. That was great. It allowed you to differentiate more in the independent assessment piece. And so very good there. When a therapist came in, there was no interruption to learning. So that was really strong too, because a lot of times we tend to stop everything and then where are we going to go? Oh, now I've got to get everybody back on track. It was seamless. You were right back into it. So that was a very good job. So I don't really have any major feedback. I do want to get your thoughts though. What did you feel like went well in your math lesson? What was the greatest strength that you felt?
I think, like you said, the movement, because they weren't just sitting on the carpet repeating, and it got them more engaged and more focused, I believe.
It's hard for them to set for a very long period of time, as you know, so any movement you can use is going to be great. What area do you feel like you could have that you can grow in your future math lessons?
In the math, I think the praise, but also like picking better maybe group activities or arranging it where the dynamics of the groups are a little bit more helpful for each student.
Good. And even in like your whole group, it's okay to throw in an extra slide. I love how you did slides and different things. So it's okay to throw in an extra slide that maybe the majority of students wouldn't be able to do.
Yes.
But you might have one student that can, and in the process you've extended that student's learning, but also the other students are absorbing that information.
Yes.
So I think continue to look for opportunities to do that. But overall, great job. Thank you.